everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about a Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker that is not playing sound. I'll be going over specifically how to fix it easily in this super duper easy peasy tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'll be outlining 6 specific things that you can do to hopefully fix your Bluetooth speaker, whether it's this Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker or any of the other Bluetooth speakers that are in the Bose Soundlink line of Bluetooth speakers, how to fix them easily and get them playing sound again. Let's get right into the video. Some of these are silly, but stay tuned because you never know, one of these might work for you. Some of them are simple, some of them are more complex, but try them out because you just don't know which one is the cause of your problem, is the root of the problem. I'm here to solve it. Let's get into this. 6 things. We're going to go through them quickly, so pay attention, take notes, and try them out. Number 1, is it powered on? I know this is silly. Don't click away, but check to make sure that your speaker is powered on and check to make sure that it has enough battery. Okay, how can you do that? Well, if you click it once and you turn it on, you're going to hear an audible signal that's going to tell you how much battery is left in it and that it's powered on. So listen closely.
Battery 80%.
80%. And it's trying to connect. I'm going to turn it off. It was trying to connect to my device. I don't want it to connect right now, so I'm going to turn it off. But if you hear that and you have 10%, 20%, whatever the case is, then you know it's powered on. But check, is it powered on? That's number 1. Number 2, and if it's not powered on, that's the fix, obviously. I didn't have to say that, but I'm going to say it anyways. Number 2, is your phone connected? How do you tell that? Well, is the device connected in general, right? How do you tell that? Well, this light over here, when it's flashing blue, that means it's ready to pair. So no device is connected. When it's flashing white, that means it's trying to pair. It's trying to pair with the device, but no device is connected. If it's solid white, that means the device is connected. If it's flashing blue or flashing white and you're not getting sound, that's the reason why. It's not connected to a device. Very simple. So connected. When it's solid white, you know it's connected to a device, but make sure it's connected to the right device that you're trying to play sound from. Let's say I'm trying to play sound from my phone. The Bluetooth speaker is not playing any sound because it's connected to my wife's phone or my kids' phones. They're too young. They don't have phones yet, but I'm just imagining here. Then obviously that's why it's not playing the sound. So make sure it's connected and make sure it's connected to the right phone that you're trying to play the sound from. Number 3, disconnected and reconnected. Very simple. On your own phone that it's connected to, you can disconnect it from the device and then connect it again. Just disconnect it from the speaker, connect it again. Sometimes it's just a connection issue. It rarely is the case, but sometimes it happens. So just disconnect it and connect again. Sometimes even in the car, I'll connect my phone and the phone function will work, but the music function will not work. So it happens sometimes, right? It's just, it's technology. It's how it works. So disconnect it and reconnect it. Number 4, forget the Bluetooth device and then reconnect it again. So on your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, forget the Bluetooth speaker as a device, and then reconnect it again. So like forget it as if it doesn't exist and then reconnect it fresh once again. Once you do that, you'll have a good chance of hopefully resetting the settings, no pun intended, maybe a little pun intended there, resetting the settings, and hopefully it plays sound once again. Number 5, make sure the volume is up on your phone. I know it sounds silly. Ooh, I'm sweating. Filming these videos, I am sweating buckets. Look at the amount of sweat on my hand. Whoa, I gotta turn up the AC in the car. It's not even that hot. What temperature is that outside? It's only 12 degrees outside. I'm sweating buckets in here because I'm filming like an animal making content for you guys. So smash the thumbs up if you appreciate it. Anyways, make sure the volume is up on your phone. That's number 5. It's silly, but just go on your phone, press the volume button many times, okay? Make sure the volume is turned on and make sure that your phone is not on like a mute mode. Sometimes phones go on a mute mode and it's not going to play to the Bluetooth speaker. Make sure the volume is up on the phone, which brings me to number 6, another silly one, but check it out. Number 6 is make sure the volume is up on your speaker. There's a volume plus button right here. If you're not getting any sound and you've done all of the other things and nothing works, make sure you press this button many times. Make sure the volume is up on the speaker. If you press this like 10, 20 times, you know your volume is going to be at least up enough to the point where you should be able to hear it. And if you're trying to play the sound, then obviously it's a different problem. And last but not least, I didn't write this one down. I said there would only be 6, but I'm going to say 7. Try and connect it to a different device, okay? If it works while being connected to a different device, but not while being connected to your device, if it doesn't play sound while it's connected to your device, but it plays sound while it's connected to someone else's device, I don't know if that makes sense, but I think it does, then the problem is with the connection between your device and the speaker, or your device itself. If the speaker is working with someone else's device playing sound, then the speaker is not the problem. It's your device or the connection between the speaker and your device. So fiddle around with the settings on your phone or your device and see if that helps. But that's it. If your Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker is not playing sound, that is how to fix it easily in this simple tutorial so that hopefully it can play sound once again. A driving school just drove by to the side of me over here, and every time I see drivers, student drivers, because I'm like somewhat popular, you know, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I'm really popular in terms of my driving tutorials on YouTube. Whenever they turn and they see me, oftentimes I get like a, whoa, like one of these. Even the instructors, I think just because they're probably like, wow, I watch your videos, and here you are pulled over filming more videos on the side of the road. So no one really ever stops to talk, but I always get like lots of these faces, and I don't know, it could be my mind playing games with me, but I think that it's just because they're like, whoa, I watch your videos, and here you are. So it's really fun. And this, I'm not going to reveal what street I'm on, but this street that I film on all the time, you'll recognize this fence. Like I film on this side street all the time, on this side and the other side. It's a very common area for drivers to drive by. So I get that reaction like at least a couple times a month. Not often, not every day, but a couple times a month. Anyways, back to business. That is a, hopefully you enjoyed that little tangent. The Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker, if it's not playing sound, whether it's this one or another model that you have within the Bose Soundlink line of Bluetooth speakers, that is how to fix it easily in this simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure, we're gonna get out of this now because you know what, I've dragged this on for way too long. So honestly, I really hope, side note, I'm gonna calm myself down right here. I really hope you've enjoyed this education / entertainment. I try and make my videos educational and entertaining. And truly, I hope that you can get your Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker to get sound playing again. Hopefully you can, you know, get to the bottom of the problem. The good thing, get to the root of the problem, the bottom of the problem, whatever I'm trying to say there. The good thing is that these speakers are like literally the most durable and well reputable speakers in the world, basically. So like this problem is rare, and getting to the bottom of it and solving it is not rare. So you might rarely have this problem, but solving it is not that rare. You can usually solve it. And that is truly from the bottom of my heart it for this tutorial video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.